You done well, Zach. Kahit natalo
Dad,
tayo.
you know when I was running that whole wing?
Yeah,
He's just pushing me in the back.
that's right. You've done well. Excellent.
You done good,
Just
Zach.
keep it in front of you. Keep it in front of you.
He's good.
I like that one where you went to go, then you just, what do you do? Just
Jump.
Yeah,
out,
that
freaking
turn
way.
around. Yeah.
Oh, and that went
turn
on the
them inside
sideline.
out.
Yeah, that was.
sideline.
Did you get
Yeah.
that, Mum?
I think so.
I think Mum got your specky. Can I
Did you
see?
get his specky?
Have a look, Mum.
I think I record everything.
Mum, can I have a
Okay.
Thank you. Here.
Mommy, in the fourth quarter, Zach, I couldn't hold
I
my.
don't care. I played bad.
You play good in the quarter, Zach. You play good. That's why you got that one. What you got?
MVP.
What do you call that one?
Ground.
Huh?
Best on ground.
Best on ground award pala to. Patingin ng ano? Let me see. Kuya, where's the bag? Babe!
No, you can't get it.
Why?
The
Babe,
car's in.
can you get the bag, hon? I will look what is inside. What's that?
Schoolboy champions, best on ground, Queensland versus South Australia. Yeah, Jackie boy.
Wow!
Ayan. So, ito ang magiging mga ano ni Zach, memorabilia dito. Sabi ni Jen, wag daw ito iwala. Best on ground Queensland versus South Australia, Monday, 4th of August. Okay, ito. Lions.
Zach?
Hindi naman ito gagamitin ni Zach. Itatago natin to for
Oh,
remembrance.
well done, I did
Kasi may lunchbox na siya. Ayan.
Why not get them?
Lions. This is,
That's right, thanks.
and then this is the tumbler. And yun lang. And ayan. This is, Rylan Tim, right?
What?
Si Blue Eyes, Blue Eyes.
Dad, you know when I got home the ball, he full on picked me up and jumped.
I know. They were dirty.
Yeah, when that one.
Put that in there, please. Look
That
after
daughter.
it.
Ito din. Tatago rin natin to kasi 3 to 4 years titingnan natin kung mayroong nakapasok sa AFL as a professional footballer. So ayan, nandito yung mga pangalan ng mga kalahok dito.
What do you want to do? Go home?
Do you wanna go look around somewhere here? Or go home? Or do you want...
Zach wants to
Okay,
shower, freshen
swim,
up.
okay.
Because we're only, it's not that far from where we are.
Okay.
Let's go.
No,
Alright,
just
let's
won't
Where are
get
we
time to go.
going?
Dinner.
For tea tonight.
Oh,
That's why you got to learn that thing, because they're going to
Yeah,
ask you.
they're gonna ask you, Zach. So,
ask me.
Ask
Yeah.
you what about your mate, what he likes to eat, and what's his favourite things. And
What?
I'm just waiting for this bloke to go.
Did you not listen?
Zach's got chicks
oh
on
my
there.
God. Can you turn it on, hon,
Hang
please?
on.
Oh my God, that sun is...
Wait, Zach, did you hear Mum scream?
Was that you? Friggin' hell, babe.
Only that last game because Zach, from the end to the
Yeah,
end.
but you don't scream.
Yeah, I will.
No, it's weird. It's embarrassing
It's
for
not.
us.
It's not.
Yes, it is. Because
The mom said that's good. Mag-swimming si Zach. Init na init siya. Pinapanood niya yung mga kuha natin. Oh.
is the pool cold?
Yes, it's cold.
You go for swim, Zach?
Huh?
Yeah,
Tapos
recover. Just a quick one. Anong oras?
At the roundabout, take the second exit, then take the
So,
first left
2:46.
onto Fields
It's
Road.
today.
Exit.
What quarter was that, Zach? You're looking? I'm not sure.
Did you get the video of you screaming?
No, I don't.
Were you even videoing when you did?
No, I was just watching. The fourth quarter was intense, so I couldn't hold my voice. How many goals they kick? 5, right? Huh? 4. 4 goals in the last quarter.
Yeah.
Yeah.
At the roundabout, take the second exit.
Kanina pa pala yung tawag si Holly. Uminom agad siya ng protein shake niya. Is that the last one? Yeah. Wala na. Apat. How many did you get? 4? Okay.
I like these.
You like that? I can buy you that one when I go grocery. You're hungry? Don't eat too much, okay? Because we're going... Huh? Yeah. ayaw ko nagdanan. Ito pala yung front. Hindi pa natin na ano yung front door. Ayan yung parang sa front area din. Okay, may screen. Ayan. Para siyang ano, kayumito ang dahon. Ginagawa namin tong parang, yung hindi to, yung parang kamukha niya ba? Yung kayumito, yung maliit, ginagawa namin na hikaw. Alam niyo ba yun? Yung parang maliit lang siya, tapos ginagawang hikaw. So, ayan yung gate. Then, may pa welcome chair dito. Tapos may door din dyan. Ito yung my code. Pag pumasok. Ayan. Ay, hala. Ano yun? Lock lang. Ayan. No, I can't see it yet. Ayan naman yung dalawa. Kailangan isang mag-recover. Malamig pa yung tubig. How many degrees? 24? 21? Yesterday was 24.
Do your thing again. You have to do 2 every day, remember?
And yung berry glue natin, collagen drink, and yung banana bread. Kaya na ako.
Get in your arm, go under here.
Take it!
No.
Your stuff.
Come on.
Zach, just get in and walk up back.
No. I want it. No. Over there. There's a roll over there. Piece off. God, you're gonna get Dad wet. Look what you did.
Zach, you gotta,
Come in. No, to the step.
Zach, you gotta do it. Get in there.
Hey, Dad. You know what? We're doing anything.
Push it by that. Huh?
You like it?
Alright.
Hey, 2 more. Come on. No.
Ewan ko sa inyo. And you asked me to buy you the ice bath. You couldn't even go there. Ice bath.
Come on.
Do you well good, mate. You'll feel fresh.
Ito natin yung boys, oh. Inaasar ng boys si Holly kasi hindi siya makapag-swim. Kasi malamig yung tubig and she's not feeling well. Pupunta na pala tayo sa dinner with the team. 5:30 yung dinner natin, 4:46
At the
na.
traffic lights, use the right lane
And
to
si
make
Holly,
U-turn at current drive.
balik niya naman siya sa dati. Hindi na naman siya okay. Pinakain ko siya ng apple. Tapos pinasawsaw ko sa asin. And nagustuhan niya naman. Ginagawa ko yung salad ko doon, yung fennel. Hindi ko natapos kasi nagyaya na si Sir na alis na raw kami. Kasi 30 minutes pala.
Make U-turn.
Galing dito sa amin. Akala niya 6 minutes lang. Kaso yung road na tinignan niya,
Stay in the
hindi
second
pwede
lane from the
makatawid
right.
kasi water na daw
Why
yun.
does it keep telling me to go back the other way? We should be heading over there.
I don't know.
It's all the
In
roads here.
500 meters, turn
Minsan kasi
right
hindi niya rin
onto
sinusunod tong map na to kasi kung saan siya dinadala. May idea siya kung saan
Beach
siya
bar and
pupunta.
grill, Malula bar. You might have that at the boat here.
Okay. Malapit na
Where
tayo,
is it?
guys.
There you go.
Newport.
It's at the
There should be some west coasters and all that up there.
Is it old? Oh,
So we're not going to get a park here.
Oh, yes.
Yeah, I'll tell you that.
Okay. Sinelas na lang ako. Sumasayad siya. ng pula ng babo ko. Halatang may sakit siya kasi namumulampis ni. Tsaka yung mata niya mapungay. Okay, come on, Baba.
I've pulled my foot.
Wait. We're good. Umubo na to. Don't cough on your sacary, okay? I told you when you cough, you have to do this. Yeah. Yan yung beach.
Walking like a cowgirl.
Nasa Malulu ba tayo? Where? Where? That one? Doon pala tayo sa kabila. I know, I wish your body's like that.
Good harbour over there too. Good boats coming.
Yeah?
Yeah, come now.
When do you wanna go though?
We were over there.
Meron ditong construction.
Big one.
Ayan, punta na tayo dun sa Beach Bar and Grill. Kami pa lang nandito. Alam niyo naman to si Jan, napakaaga lagi.
That table, wait, the
adults.
corner table's bigger over there.
Buti na lang maaga tayo kasi nakakuha tayo ng best table with a view. Hiwa-hiwalay na kami ng kids. Nandun si Kuya with other kids. Si Sak nandun sa team niya. Doon. Ayan. Piniram ko muna sa kanya yung phone ko.
Excuse, are you here with the footy? Yeah, I think we've got a football. I'm just letting you know so you don't miss. I think over that side's okay. Just letting you know so you don't think.
Ang ganda ng view natin, di ba? Yung kanina, nakaupo dito, pinalipat. Kasi eto yung area sa football team. Yung in-order ko is, kasi nagtanong si Jan kung anong bestseller nila dito, ano bang masarap. Sabi ng lalaki, yung premium na rib fillet. 300 grams. Tapos, yung toppings na in-order natin ay surf and turf. Ano siya? Creamy garlic prawns. May 4 na prawns. Ang ingay ng mga ibon, ang sarap sa terminal. Hindi traffic. Hindi motor ng mga sasakyan.
Yeah, we just ordered them.
Yeah, baby. May garlic bread na tayong naman. It's too hot, yeah. Nandun yung mga teammate ni Sam. Napuno namin, tingnan nyo. Kaya sinara para sa amin. Merong dalawa nga na pinalipat sila doon. May dalawang hindi kasali dito ba sa grupo. Doon sila nilipat. Yun yung kay Jan. Beef schnitzel or chicken schnitzel ata. Ay, that's your calamari, Baba. You got calamari to, kuya? Ayan yung food nila. Ayan kay Johnny Boy. Oh. Ayan kay, this is Zach. I'll bring it to Zach. How you do it, huh? Hot. Kay Zach pala yung chicken sweet, so it's hot, Baba. Careful. So there it is.
Just here, sometimes well, I was giving it back and just
Nice chip, Zach. Nice. Ayan pala yung... Ayan. Nakaiwala yung cream. Ayan yung ating steak.
That's fine, bloody bird. Are you full yet?
Not yet. No chance tonight.
oh no. Then you tip it over again. Oh no. Good? Yeah. I said you got a soft drink, right? The kids will
Yeah, I'll cut it for you, Baba. Here, Baba. I'll put it there, okay? Ali. Nice, Baba. You're done, yeah?
Yeah. Nah, mate, everything. Just like in the back of the car. I looked at Rachel and I was just like, not fucking there.
Oh yeah, here you go.
Kalahati lang yung nakain ko. Pero kinain ko yung salad niya, hiningi ko yung salad niya kasi hindi naman yung kumakain ng rabbit food.
Yeah, it really is cool. I never know if I can just go back to the bloody room and... Oh, well, we'll do too. I mean, yeah, I don't care. Yeah, we'll work that out tomorrow. It just gives you a chance to... Like, you don't want to take mine and then just get into hanging with all their mates. Bit of that bonding and that going on. Like,
I was friends forever, mate.
yeah, that's right. Yeah. Yep.
Yeah, no one do it. I don't.
Loving you running out, cause I'm losing you, I've been losing you.
Dito na pala kami sa bahay. Si Holy may lagnat. You have to take your medicine, Baba. Yeah.
No, she's already had it before we left.
Okay.
I'm going upstairs.
Alright. Okay, guys, we're gonna close our vlog now. Thank you. Please like, please subscribe if you haven't yet. See you on my next vlog. Good night, guys. Sarap ng dinner pala.
She wrote you a letter so you wouldn't forget her. Wish I could care less. It isn't my place to know what it says. My heart is a front page. It won't act its own age. It aches as it bends, folds at the edges. I'm out of my head. Say that we're fine and all, 'cause we are. But where's that confidence? For someone who finds it hard to remember, where's that common sense? And now I wish to forget like normal people forget. What's pen on a paper? Just wait till you met her. And nothing is wrong, but something so often I don't know how to act. I feel like December, and not 'cause of winter. I've done it again. Don't think I can win. What am I up against? I say that we're fine and all, 'cause we are. But where's that confidence? For someone who finds it hard to remember, where's that common sense? And now I wish to forget like normal people forget. I wish to forget like normal people forget.
Pakuha ako kay Kuya na face towel na ibabad niya sa malamig na tubig. Kasi mainit siya. Tapos yung paa niya malamig. Hindi pa naman natin dala yung yung temperature. What? Yeah?
She's in Mum's room.
Thank you, Kuya.
She should have the rugs in here. Oh no, no. Hi, baby girl.
Don't get too close, please. Okay. I love you. Justin Bieber, look at you. Justin Bieber.
I can't stop.
Brush your teeth now.
She wrote you a letter so you wouldn't forget her. Wish I could care less. It isn't my place to know what it says. My heart is a front page.
Okay, run.
Night Holly.
Run, run, run.
Run.
What time is it, Sak? 9 o'clock na. Magdadry pa tayo ng book. Pinaliguan ko na yung book ko ngayon para bukas madali na lang.